Hello, my name is Nuria. I'm from Aurora Flowers, Holland. And today we have a new unboxing with our supplier Qualisa. And I want to show you the new roses. So this supplier is from Ecuador. As you can see, it's like really nice bundled in the box. It's protected also. So here we have Peony Kiss, a really nice pink one. We have here a Creamy Kiss, also really beautiful. These products are also really nice for the wedding season. In this box you have 8 bundles, 4 with Peony Kiss and 4 with Creamy Kiss. If you want something to order, you can come in contact with your contact person in Holland, Romania, Spain or Portugal and Greece. Thank you.